How do I use Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro in tandem so that I have a good workflow? There's going to come a time when you're going to get done with your effects, like this scene here. I have radio waves emitting from this tower. I'm completely done with it. I'm done with my scene, but I want to drag it into Premiere so that I can go ahead and start editing it. But at the same time, I don't want to get rid of it completely, because just in case, I want to go back in there and start editing the radio waves. Like, for instance, I want these rings right here to be red instead of blue. All I have to do is select my composition. Now, this is very important that you have saved your file. I can't stress that enough, because it will not work unless this file is saved, because it has to have a point of reference to go between both of the programs. So click on your composition and Alt-Tab over to Premiere while you're still holding down your composition, and then simply drop it into your scene. You'll notice that there's this little green X now next to the composition. Now, to prove that we do indeed have the effect over here in Premiere, you'll notice that we have a little play button. I'm going to hit play, and as it starts playing, you'll notice we have a little preview of the effect that we're going to get. So I'm going to grab this and drag it down in here, and as I scrub out, you'll notice that in the scene up here in the corner, that we do indeed have those special effects that will be popping up over here in After Effects. There we go. Boom. So if we jump back over to After Effects now, I can simply come and open this, or excuse me, go up here to my effects controls, or either one, doesn't matter, and go down to Wave Motion, Stroke. There we go. I'm going to change this color over to red, like I was saying. Hit OK. And once it calculates this, because remember, now it has the update on both of the programs, we're going to jump over to Premiere, and as you can see the progress bar down here, saying that it is indeed updating, so just give it just a second. As it loads up, you'll notice that the rings do indeed update to red instead of the blue they once were. This is telling you that yes, they are talking to each other. Premiere Pro and After Effects do work in tandem. So with that, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video.